Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time when you see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, let's start with today's news. Alright, Ben Jacobs, come as I call the talk to say Arsenal signing Zubimendi. It is more realistic, like it is more possible to happen than say maybe we won't go to pursue Tchouameni, that earlier Tchouameni of Real Madrid, because if you say one carry money go bust everywhere for Real Sociedad, it will make sense. Real Sociedad will willingly sell Zubimendi to you, but Real Madrid, the way things be, say no really this sure say it would be possible. And me, when I don't weigh everything when you talk, I actually subscribe to his line of thought. Say as they go like this, it will make a whole lot of sense. Even though people talk say Tchouameni, in some people's opinion, is actually a better player than Martin Zubimendi, but at the end of the day, you go look which person they more realistic. You get more no go do this claim mistake, go do that time so they pursue Vlahovic. Pursue. At the end of the day, we no get them because hey, time don't go, no fit sign any person again. So we cannot make those kind of mistakes. By this time, we're supposed to don't learn from those that by contacting the player camp, you go only get some kind of vibe. You get, you know, some kind of thing to know whether this player will really want to join us. I be no they interested. So when I would see me at the sea, I don't know what I think between Martin Zubimendi and Tchouameni. Now we are not asking who is the better player. Now we are asking who they more realistic to actually join us now. That's what we're talking. And all these players say last at the end of the day, if people say that party replacement, because I don't think he will just come enter the second 11, because if we buy him, we won't use him with Declan Rice for inside the first 11. So I'm just gonna watch. Alright, at the same time, at this opportunity, wish you a happy new month of November. So this new month, I pray say all our wishes, so we pray all our prayers, everything we pray to God, it will come to pass in this month. We have a lot of things to thank for. Not everybody will start January. Nice day with us till now. So God so love us, all of us just be alive, and we'll continue to be alive in Jesus' name and inshallah. Happy new month. Alright, so today Arsenal will play West Ham, Nigerian time at 8:30. Okay, so for injury level, we get the Jesus out, we get Simba out, we get so Thomas Partey is also out. I can go check West Ham, their own rooster. West Ham don't get anybody out, everybody they fit, so they would more or less get a clean bit of health for his squad. So we never know the kind of squad we go put out. So they go put a very strong 11, because Arsenal is expected to rest players. All those kind of Smith Rowe, Trossard, maybe Kai Havertz, Ramsdale, you get El Neni, it's possible, Jorginho. These are some of the guys who you feel see for the first 11. I know we're really surprised to see. In short, I didn't expect to see Gabriel Magalhaes, because Jacob Kiwior actually came in for him, so he go still day fit. So don't be surprised if you see Saliba and Gabriel Magalhaes starting. I expect that. If you rest Zinchenko, bring it to me, so I see a lot of changes for this match. But how many changes? Because the last match we played against Sheffield, I think I made 5 changes. So for this one, how many changes he go make? I don't really know for now. So we'll just watch. Alright, another thing we're going to hear now be say Arsenal they set to battle with AC Milan for Benjamin Sesko of RB Leipzig. This guy, a 20-year-old, don't score 6 goals in 13 games this season. And what we're going to hear be say Arsenal they send scouts to go watch him for Germany, where he plays his football, because they don't identify alternatives to Ivan Toney. And all the alternatives, all the people that they linked to now, big lads to give us a different profile to what we already have. I won't be surprised if we sign somebody else and still retain Eddie Nketiah and still retain Gabriel Jesus. I know we'll be surprised if we have something like that, because it can happen. So when I don't expect anybody who comes inside now will need to sell one of the 2 strikers. So no, I think I may decide say okay, let's have all these profiles. If we don't decide to become like Man City next season, they play with 2 strikers in our first 11. Because Man City is playing with Erling Haaland and Julian Alvarez. Initially, now one that they play with Alvarez go for bench, but now Pep don't decide to throw 2 of them, so you never can tell. After that, people decide next season say, oh yeah, well they play with 2 strikers, so let's just be watching. Alright, so Crystal Palace also don't come outside. They prepare to ask for a huge fee for Mark Guehi, because if you say anybody really interested in the player, be ready to cough out the funds. They bring out the funds, so they highly willing to sell if the money is right. So we never really know how much. You don't say they want to make a person bring big people. How much exactly? Be specific. How much you want? Boko bring them out. Boko for buy the player. More the what? Even somebody got to remind me say CHUKS. Maguire is an upgrade to people like Jacob Kiwior in the centre back department. Fit to push Jacob Kiwior on go for the left back get make on day there with Zinchenko, because apart from Zinchenko being our out and out left back, we don't really have any other deputy left back. So if we to buy Maguire, we're going for the centre back department, they will push out Jacob Kivior, and I tend to subscribe to that line of thought that it's a possibility. That is why Arteta can they groom Kivior for that left back role again. So this is what it is. Alright, Arteta can they talk about this Carabao Cup 0-1 play. Where they ask whether the players they take them serious. Because they see. Say anybody, any player when they feel say in they too big to be selected for Carabao Cup is just arrogance. Because people like Ramsdale, I don't know, I just speculate now. They feel say, I know they play me for league now, the cup, I don't big part of this cup, and all those kind of talk. I don't mention name, you just talk out there, say, no player, after all, we don't get any World Cup winner here. No, I mean, you know, just the top players, they say, forget your ego. Say any competition where they put you, you go play. If I select you, you go play. That's your job. Now me be the coach. Now me go like I said, I talk a lot, but they take away points. For what in the talk, we say nobody is bigger than the manager. Anywhere the manager say make you go play, you must go play there and play very well. Because they ask and say, should the fans would they look the Carabao Cup like a lesser competition instead of going for maybe Champions League or the league? I said yes, you understand that fact. See, most fans feel say this Carabao Cup no follow Jari, but win the league, more win the Champions League. But I believes winning any of these cups can be a springboard. Now I don't mean say we know they go for other competitions, but if you win these ones, it is easier to win the Carabao Cup and FA Cup than to win the league. That's just a fact. Because for here, you can be lucky with your fixtures. You get 3 minutes Babalaiti, you reach final. It's possible. But for the league, everybody where they play, I mean they play. So you know they very, very easy, just like the Champions League, and you are playing lesser games. To win the Champions League, you know we go up to 15 games, you go winner, compared to a 38-game marathon. That's the point that Arteta is making. Alright, those who want to hear now say Real Madrid, they very, very interested in signing Kepa Arrizabalaga. Now, what this means is that if Real Madrid sign him, Arsenal, on the other hand, will face some pressure from Chelsea, because Chelsea will be coming for Aaron Ramsdale aggressively. So what could they just watch as things go unfold? If Chelsea finally sell Kepa and give Madrid, you see this Ramsdale matter, go see as it go be, whether Ramsdale will truly go. I've been going to look say loyalty make us still stay for a year. Well, we'll just watch. Even Sportscadia, will be one of our monitoring speed, is going to let us know say Arteta actually blocked Jacob Kivior's move to Sevilla for the summer. Did you know that? Say you don't want me the guy go because their plans for the player, and that's what it be. For me, I'd say we need all the help we can get. Everybody cannot be in the first 11, and we still need a formidable second 11. That Jacob Kivior, the guy good though. Guy did very, very good. He never do anything wrong this season. Playing fantastically well, and most of the players who get it, they very, very patient. They don't really cry. Say, hey, coach, you know they play me. Everybody don't say game will touch everybody. Everybody will play. Alright, so Jason Kundi of TalkSport come as I thought saying they hear say West Ham fans they plan to boo Declan Rice today. By the time they go play for West Ham Stadium for the cup, so it no go make sense. But they don't try. And this guy did a lot for you guys, because some people see the vex saying leave them high and dry. But they forget say the money where they collect from here, £105 million. They use and buy 3 players now. But they make them they do well this season. So many people see the vex for the guy saying come on, but they warn them. Even though David Moyes is not saying they expect like an open welcome, like an embrace from the fans. Even Arteta saying they expect the same thing. See they go honor the guy. So not just watch whether some section of the fans go boo him based on saying the vex say he leave them come on. If you watch Arsenal versus Chelsea, now when they bring in Havertz, you know say Chelsea fans they boo him. Why did they boo him? Because they vex saying leave. That is why they tell us to say most of the bad insults when they come up on social media. Now Chelsea fans when they vex, but Arsenal fans will follow them. They know they have to say the guy leave. If a fan base is booing somebody, it means he was doing well for them and they were not happy that he left. That is what it means. If you didn't have to say leave, why would they boo him? You don't understand? So now the logic way they apply to most of these things. I was surprised. Say Chelsea fans they boo him. This guy scored the Champions League final goal for them when they win final Champions League. So you're supposed to be a hero to them. But it is what it is. Look at Declan Rice now. The captain and go win Europa Conference League. How come the year that's the one boo him? Who does that? But what they watch now today they will play the match. So my dear Arsenal lovers, no watch this issue. Check the top left corner of your screen. You see the thumbnail. Click out so that you get all Arsenal update as they drop all over the world. So start signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Again,